All right, so long story short, boom, 801 and then 80. Okay, pretty much. Okay, wait for that confirmation for the break to the downside, and 80 is only target one. All right, but we'll take it from there. Anyway, so this is interesting because the long term and the short term, they're both bullish, right? So we need to be conscious of that and expect a little continuation all the way to the high. But just like I said, remember the future, anticipating that there's going to be a break, all right? And, okay, right? Because the medium term is bearish. That's tough. So in other words, at all time, a day trader needs to know exactly the entire environment, okay? All the trends that are going on. And then you decide which one to follow. Okay, so it's, all right, so it's doing it. And 89, where the hell is 89? Right here, 89, 90, this one right here, is going to be our alert that the bears took control. All right, so in other words, that's the stop that the weak money is not going to let the price take them here. 89, this one right here, 89, 90, right here, 89, 90. Boom, clean break of it. Then probably have some leap here and down. It's not gonna be nicely rhythmically going, but that's what I'm expecting. All right. Open in a couple of minutes, in a couple of seconds. 98, right? Pretty good, right? Breaking of staying long. We know that we have two trends going up on 801. Okay, and then we got to start looking for that recoil, right? And the confirmation was 89. Now it's going to be another one. We'll look for it. So in other words, in our humble opinion, this move up so far is pretty much a squeeze. It doesn't matter though. We're taking advantage of it. The main plate is long. We know it. We know we've been long since 9 a.m. The two of the three major trends are bullish. What the hell are you gonna be? Okay, so we are all about the future, right? And the future tell us that that this is a bear squeeze, and we believe that there's going to be a recoil and a retracement. However, we all know that the market is dynamic and everything changes all the time. So, since that move down to 80 is not guaranteed, because if it was guaranteed, if I can guarantee the price is going to go to 80, where would we be right now? Tell me.
Having lunch with Elon Musk.
Exactly. So no guarantees, right? So since there is no guarantee, then our job is to analyze the action minute to second, tick by tick, bar by bar, Renko to Renko, whatever the hell it is that you use, and determine as to whether there is being any change at all. And I'm gonna tell you right now, that drop that I was talking about since 9 a.m. is diminishing in strength. So what does that tell us? That that the price going to target 1801, it's getting bigger. So hang in there. Do not get out until we hit target. And if it gets really stronger and stronger, then we're going to target 2. So do not get all out, target 1. Remember that we get out 3 times. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So Goldman Sachs heard me saying that that we knew that they were going to plummet the price to 80, and then they went ahead and took action right here at 98. Just a couple of points below the psychological level 800. Everybody knows that. Oh my God, Cappy, this pullback all the way to 89, man. You said 89 is the low of that 89, 91, 90, right? We should have locked right there instead of waiting for the price to break it and continue to 80, man. Now look at the bounce. I know. That's just for weak traders, all right? Okay, so. Yes, I understand. And not only there, what are you saying that 95, 96 right here, this is a double top. Even the teenagers, all the fake gurus on YouTube, they know that's a double top. So it's a self-fulfilling prophecy. A lot of them got destroyed when the price continued going all the way to 98. We wanted 801. All right, so look at it. There isn't much volatility today, volume, nothing. There isn't much gunpowder today backing anything. So we just have to put up with it until patience pays up. Okay? All right. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So this 98 right here is not only a double top from here, it's an all-time S&P 500 high. It's an all-time high. What do you think was going to happen? Trading 101, support become resistance become support. Our 89, the low of our 2-point range, 89.91, holds, bounce, and the longer term is still the trend in command. Okay? We need confirmation of that future drop to 80. Until we don't have that confirmation, hanging there to target 1,801. Okay? No, Capi, are you kidding me? Getting the hell out, man. Okay, no problem. We just made a couple of points right there. Nothing to write home about, but it's good. Twice. So we wanted to short 801, right? That's our target one. That's the one that we wanted to short. So we don't have anything other than the double top, the all-time high historic S&P 500 high, other than right, which is 98. Okay, good. I wanted a couple more points. I wanted 801 to take my short to ride it all the way to 80. I'm after 21 point. So price only went to 98. Oh, okay, so we have to deal with it. All right, well, let's deal with it. All right, so we'll keep with our plan. All right, that's the difference between strong professional traders and wannabes. We'll stick with our plan. All righty, we have a couple of reasons to believe that we're still gonna get 801. The future, the drop, just in the back of your mind. That's it. All right, so we're still counting on the price to test our target 1,801. So we had a nice bounce here off of our support so that we can have an even better entry, razor sharp by the way. Look at this, 89 to 801. That's pretty good, 12 points, right? All right, well, let's see if we're gonna get it. I know that a lot of traders right now are scalping and not taking a chance. No, Cappy, that 12 is too much, man. All-time highs. What do you think is gonna happen? And all of that, right? We gotta stick with our plan, all right? The difference between us and the rest of all the wannabes out there is that not only we know that the secret of trading is letting it ride and cutting your losses short, but nobody tells you how to do it. Here, you'll know exactly how to do it. You just need to be strong. Are we gonna get 100% of the time? Of course not. It doesn't matter. So, trim and trail. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So patience, right? Nothing. Rectangle, chop, sideways, leaping up and down. Our plan hasn't changed yet, and I'm just gonna repeat it. However, we do have new information. The confirmation that the bears take over the action. We know it's going to 80, right? Well, it's going to 80, and there's going to be a strong enough force to take it even 4 more points down all the way to 76. So target 1 for the bearish position is it's a range 76.80. Okay, not expecting to happen because the bulls are really, they just don't want to give up. Alrighty, so that's a good one. All right. Okay. Now it needs to be a clean break. If it's not a clean break, then it's gonna be a horrible action. 88, it's gonna go up. It's 85, it's gonna bounce. It's gonna go. It's gonna take the low, and then it's gonna take the low, bounce, take the low, bounce, take the next low, bounce, take the last low, bounce. That's how it's gonna go there. So in other words, the last type of way that we want the market to move. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it took a little while, right? What time it is right now? It's almost 1 p.m. So, once again, patience pays off pretty good. All right, ladies and gentlemen, target 2, 70. Target 2, 70 right here. Counter trend, right? Counter trend. Target 2, right here. Lock, target 2, 70. Okay, this 70 right here, that's target 2, lock in there. One more to go.